Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm sharing these wonderful double chocolate cookies, and this is so a go-to recipe. Produces wonderfully divine, rich, and also chocolatey cookies. So like most cookie recipes, you want to start with the creaming method. We're going to go ahead and combine our unsalted room temp butter with our light brown sugar and white sugar. If you'd rather use dark brown sugar, that's also an option. Mix this for about 5 minutes or until it's lighter and fluffier. Okay, good. Now you can go ahead and scrape the bowl down really well. Alright, and add in your egg, also at room temp, and your vanilla extract. And this part doesn't take too long, but you just want to combine it. Okay, and now you can go ahead and dump in your sifted dry ingredients. And call me crazy, but I just like doing this part by hand with all cakes and cookies. I don't know. I just feel like I have more control this way. So if you want to do this part by with the mixer, you can do that, but I like folding it in by hand. But the key is you just don't want to overmix. Whatever method you're doing, don't overmix it. Just really mix it until just combined. So I just started folding it in. Then I'm going to add in the chocolate. I'm using these chocolate discs that are bittersweet. You can use semi-sweet chocolate chips as well. So discs or chocolate chips are fine. So really mix it till it's just combined. This is the hard part. Try to resist not eating that dough. I admitted that, yeah, I took some nibbles, but you know what? I had to. So nibbles are fine. Just try not to eat it all. At this point, you want to go ahead and wrap it. We're going to refrigerate it or freeze it overnight, whatever you prefer. This is how it looks like the next day. If you're not patient enough to wait for the next day, what you can do is freeze it for a couple hours and then portion it out onto the cookie sheet and then refrigerate it for another hour before getting it ready into the oven. So that's a little shortcut. So this is the next step. You want to go ahead and on a pre-greased baking sheet, go ahead and portion out the cookies. I use an ice cream scoop, and really I'm just baking off 6 because I'm gonna be eating these, but it does make more than 6, and they do spread a bit, so you do want to leave a bit of room there. So bake it for about 10 minutes. That was enough for me, but you do want to watch it, and at 350 of course. And after they come out of the oven, actually what I do is I leave them on the cookie sheet for about 2 minutes to continue baking. So after 2 minutes, I'm able to move them. If you're able to move it with a spatula, you know they're ready to go. So I move it to a wire rack, and then I'll just continue doing that for all of them. And the key here is we don't want them to cool completely because these cookies are just phenomenal when they're served warm. Like warm with a cold glass of milk. That's what you want. Okay. So definitely serve these warm. Highly recommended. You saw how easy it was. This is a go-to for your chocolate fix. For the full recipe, go to facefood.com. Trust me, you will not regret this recipe. Like this video, comment below for any comments or questions. Guys, we just reached 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for the loyal subscribers, the new subscribers, all of you. I love you all. Thank you for the support. Until next time, guys, enjoy. I know you will. And have a wonderful day.
You know I ain't tryna say no dreams. I'm just tryna make this money. I ain't tryna share with the team. Girl, I ain't tryna take nothing from you.